The moon has always fascinated humanity, serving as a beacon of mystery and adventure. For decades it was seen as a destination for brief visits, missions that lasted only a few days, collecting samples and conducting experiments before returning home. But what if the moon could be more than just a fleeting stop in our cosmic journey? The landscape of lunar exploration is changing, and with it, our ambitions for what lies ahead. The moon is no longer just a destination. It is becoming a base for extended human presence and activity. As we stand on the cusp of a new era, the moon is poised to become a vital outpost for scientific discovery, technological innovation, and perhaps even a stepping stone for journeys beyond our solar system. Scene 2. Russia's ambitious lunar plans. Russia has now revealed plans that point towards something much bigger, permanent activity on the moon. According to reports citing Roscosmos, the Russian space agency, these plans are set to revolutionize how we think about lunar exploration. The initiative aims to establish a long-term human presence on the lunar surface, complete with habitats, research facilities, and infrastructure to support continuous operations. This ambitious plan not only underscores Russia's commitment to space exploration, but also signals a new chapter in the global race to conquer the moon. Scene 3. The game changer, lunar nuclear power. A key component of Russia's lunar strategy is the development of a nuclear power system to supply steady energy on the lunar surface. This groundbreaking move could reshape how future missions operate, and who leads them. Nuclear power offers a reliable and sustainable energy source, crucial for supporting extended missions and large-scale operations. Unlike solar panels, which are dependent on sunlight, a nuclear reactor can provide continuous power, regardless of the lunar day-night cycle. This technological leap forward not only enhances the feasibility of permanent lunar bases, but also paves the way for more ambitious endeavors, including interplanetary travel and deep space exploration. The moon is no longer just a destination for brief visits. Russia has now revealed plans that point towards something much bigger, permanent activity. According to reports citing Roscosmos, a nuclear power system could soon supply steady energy on the lunar surface. This move could reshape how future missions operate and who leads them. One of the biggest challenges of long-term lunar activity is not landing or traveling there. It is power. The moon experiences long periods of darkness that can last roughly 2 Earth weeks. During that time, solar panels produce no energy, and batteries alone are not enough for continuous operations. This is where Russia's plan becomes important. A nuclear power plant on the moon would provide uninterrupted electricity, regardless of sunlight or temperature changes. That single capability changes everything. Rovers could operate continuously instead of pausing for days. Scientific instruments could collect data without interruption. Communication systems could remain active at all times. According to reporting referenced by Reuters, the proposed system would support robotic exploration, observatories, and surface infrastructure. This signals a shift away from short-term missions towards sustained activity. What makes this moment different is scale. Previous missions were designed to work around power limits. This plan removes those limits. With steady energy, planners can think bigger, longer experiments, more complex instruments, and systems that work together instead of independently. This plan is not happening in isolation. Russia has made it clear that the lunar power system would also support cooperation with China, particularly within the framework of the International Lunar Research Station, or ILRS. The ILRS is envisioned as a long-term scientific hub, rather than a single facility. For such a project, shared infrastructure is essential. Power sits at the center of that infrastructure. A nuclear energy source allows multiple missions, systems, and partners to operate from the same location without competing for limited resources. This approach reflects a broader trend in space exploration. Instead of isolated missions, agencies are now planning networks, shared landing zones, shared communication links, and shared power systems. Energy independence on the moon reduces reliance on constant resupply from Earth and allows more flexible scheduling of missions. By contributing a nuclear power solution, Russia positions itself as a key provider of foundational capability. China, meanwhile, brings launch capacity, robotics, and long-term planning experience. Together, the partnership focuses on sustainability rather than speed. A decade ago, the idea of building a nuclear system on the moon sounded distant. Today it is far more practical. The key reason is the development of small modular reactors, often called SMRs. These reactors are compact, long-lasting, and designed to operate with minimal maintenance. Such systems are well suited for environments where human access is limited. They can function autonomously for years, delivering steady output without constant oversight. This makes them ideal for the moon, where repairs are difficult and delays are costly. Russia also brings experience to this effort. Its space industry has worked with nuclear-powered systems in remote and extreme environments before. According to Roscosmos statements, development will involve multiple industrial partners, including Lavochkin, which specializes in robotic and automated space platforms. Of course, challenges remain. Transporting reactor components, assembling them on the lunar surface, and ensuring long-term reliability are complex tasks. However, none of these are theoretical problems anymore. Advances in robotics, automation, and precision landing have made such operations achievable. Russia's lunar nuclear plan is about more than energy. It signals a shift toward permanent activity on the moon. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.